Hi, welcome to Brahmi Creation. If you are new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for further updates. Today I am explaining on sari kuchu design which is easy and beginner friendly. For that, I taken 6 strands of silk thread along with 10 0.75 mm crochet hook. At first, you have to lock this thread into sari. Lock the thread like this. Then make one single crochet here. Pull the thread. Here I am using two different type of beads. One is ring bead, another one is round bead. This round bead should be fit inside this ring bead. You can see. Then take this loop into crochet hook. Pass the beads into loop. Then lock here. Measure the length where it is reaches. Then lock into sari. You can see. Then again make 2 single crochet here. 1 and 2. Pull the loop. Place round bead inside this ring bead. You can see the hole here. Hole should be aligned to each other because you are passing needle through that. So keep the hole aligned. Pass the needle and pass through the loop. Make a knot. Then measure the length where it is reaches. Lock it into sari. You can see. Then make 2 single crochet here. Repeat the process till the end. At the end, make one chain. Cut the thread here. Pull it. It becomes knot. Baseline will look like this. You can leave this design as it is, but I am adding tassel here. You can make this design as border for fancy sari. You doesn't need to add a tassel. For a silk sari I am adding tassel because after adding the tassel, kuchu will look more beautiful. So I am adding tassel here. For the tassel I am taking 120 strands of silk thread, 4 strands of zari thread in normal needle. Pass the thread through here. Hold the end. See. add the tassel like this. After adding a tassel, look of the kuchu will be like this. Beginners can try this easily. Thank you for watching.